Hello guys, welcome to Asedoskitchen, the home of simple yet delicious recipes. To my returning subscribers, welcome back to my channel. I'm making air-fried fish. I'm using tilapia for this recipe, however, you can use any fish of your choice. Feel free to marinate this with your choice of spices, but this time I'm using paprika powder, garlic salt, mixed peppercorns, cumin powder, vegeta, and extra virgin olive oil. I covered this and set it aside for at least half an hour. Then I cook it in the air fryer for 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. I turn the fish and allow the other side to cook for 5 to 8 minutes. The fish is now ready. Serve it with chips, wedges, or salad. If you enjoyed this video, kindly hit the like button, give this recipe a try, and let us know what you think in the comments below. This is all I have for you today. Thanks for watching and bye for now.